These are my friendly people. Xin chào, xin chào. So we're here in Halong Bay, and those people waved at us, and we did star jumps with them on the other boat. So there's only two groups today going. I got the best side of you. I made sure I was on the best side. Anyway, gotta go through the front.
Yep.
Okay. Walk faster.
Yep.
Last time, Nana raced through here because I was proposing to my wife, and this time she's going to actually look at the caves.
Yeah.
So you get off the boat, and then your boat goes over to the other side there to pick you up, and the only way to get to your boat is to walk up through these caves and back down. And normally, if you haven't booked the whole boat, you don't leave your gear on the boat. And the caves are quite hot sometimes, so and it's a long walk. And they just punch your tickets. Alright. And she's wearing flats this time, so that's good.
Last time there was hundreds of people, and we're all passing people, racing up the steps.
See, Twin Peaks. Now there's three of them. Oh, that's just weird. Three peaks.
No.
Last time Nana was off, she was racing up here.
But there was millions of people.
Yeah.
The only ones
Well, she was overtaking people going up here.
I was worried that he wouldn't have time to do it all. Maybe he didn't have a clue. Didn't know why Mum was running.
What is that? What is that? See, I've edited in that panting just for people's benefit.
Now we can.
Yeah. Yeah, the huge one. That's the cable car over there. Yep. Looks really spinny at night. There's the Three Sisters. Oh, okay. Okay. Maybe it tells you. No, it doesn't. This tells you about all the caves. There you go. There you go. Google Translate that. I know. Elephant lying, halting area, Fairy Lake. Oh, there you go.
Heaven's Gate.
Okay. Heaven's Gate. Oh yeah. Holding area. Okay. Alright. More stairs to go up.
No, we'll start because I'm slower than
Yeah, okay. Alright. Anyway, there's a whole bunch more stairs here.
I'd already been to Moonay and I was 10 kilos lighter.
Okay. Feet camp. Feet camp.
We didn't stop and look at that place last time, did we?
So this is for all my other movies I make.
Yeah,
So we're gonna have the feet camp. Because you got to have beautiful feet walking upstairs sometimes in your movies.
And when we come, you know,
Oh, that's
we
walking.
can do this.
No.
Okay,
Yeah,
smoking.
okay, smoking. Hom Tien. Okay, and now we're up into the cave. Hey! That's my famous hostess.
Yep.
Now wife. Now no single boys.
Yeah, now we have to go downstairs.
Mm.
Nó tham
No,
tam kia.
see, no single.
Ôi, 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 ok. Ôi thôi.
No slipping and falling to your death on the stairs.
Ôi giời ơi. Ôi giời ơi, sợ quá.
Okay. Okay. Xa qua.
No single.
There we go. Now we're in the cave. Oh, because now no fall, no hurt. Okay, kiss. If fall hurt, I think no kiss. But this is the Halong Bay Caves.
How many?
How many what? Family. But it's actually quite cool. This is March and there's the coronavirus, so there's hardly any tourists. But when it's tourist season, these caves are really hot because there's millions of people and you're actually sweating going through. But anyway,
See ya. Camera. Camera. Cái gì đấy?
and the sign says not allowed to climb on this and don't write or draw graffiti in the rock. Okay, all right.
No
Okay.
me. No picture on me.
Okay. All right. All right. So. Okay, so if you wanted to walk through the Halong Bay Caves and save yourself some time and money, it saved you flying all the way over here to see this, or it might encourage you to come, I don't know, depends on how you look at things. But, you know, nature's concrete. Well, it is. This is what concrete's made out of. Limestone and clay. Anyway. Sa hơi Quang. Here.
I think em anh sleep here, okay?
Sleep here, Min Phi.
Okay.
Sleep here, Min Phi.
Không thích fit thích. Red eat. Okay.
Eat crab, eat Tom. And look, see there's Heaven's Gate. I guess that hole there would look pretty heavenly if you're actually lost in here, you know, because if there was no lights on, that'd be one beam of light in through that hole up there, and it'd pretty much look like Heaven's Gate there, I would think. But you'd hate to fall down in here and get lost, that's for sure. But it's certainly a big cave.
Em say I think roof.
Oh yeah, bits have fallen down there. Yeah.
I think.
Yeah. It's certainly a huge cave, and then we walk through into another bit down over here. Walk.
Em anh về cầm cái gì photo rồi đấy. Nó tham anh ring em. Nó photo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I proposed when we get to the end of this cave is where I proposed out on the little island, and so yeah, that's a different video. If I make that one public, you can watch that one. But Yeah, it might not ever go public, that one. Anyway, alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. That's Halong Bay Caves. We're down to the bottom now, and we're just about to go back up and out again. And then you can actually walk up to another set of caves as well. There's 2 sets here, but you know, the normal tour, you just do one. Up to you. You know, this is beautiful and everything, but it's not the reason why I come to Vietnam. The reason why I come to Vietnam is for my darling wife. Okay, and so yeah, hope that helps somebody. Like, comment, subscribe, and share or not share. Actually, it's really up to you. Yeah, you'll probably get some really weird updates that you don't really want if you subscribe. Yeah. Anyway, all right.